Today I'm going to explain you about the significant figures, and it is defined as accurately known digits and first doubtful digit. So from this number we are going to count that what is the number of significant figure. So from this number 0.00508830, we shouldn't consider the zeros on the left side because they are not significant, and the zeros on the right side have the significance, and the zeros between the number is having significance. So from this number we will count from 5, and the number is 50830. So the significant figure number is 5. One main thing we have to learn that for scientific notations, that they are not significant figures. So from this number 4500, we will write the number in form of 4.500 into 10 raised to power 3. So 10 raised to power 3 is basically scientific notation. So I have told you that it is not a significant figure, so the number we will count as from 4500. So here the significant figure is 4. And from the second number 0.045, there are two significant figures because zeros on the left side have no significance, that's why. And from third number 0.0450, there are three significant figures similarly like above. And last thing you have to consider that 0.0450, in this number 0.0 have no significance, but we are considering here 450. So the 0 is having the significance which is after 5. So this is the confusing concept which students sometimes merge, that the 0 on the left side and right side, how they are going to understand that they have the significance. So from here you will learn. So now we have to learn from this number 0.0450. The zeros on the left side of the decimal point do not have significance. Only the 0 which is on the right side of the decimal point or the 0 on the right side of any digit had the significance.